Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-EL-BT-2 Bluetooth humidity and temperature logger for Android. The IC-EL-BT-2 data logger measures and stores up to 500,000 temperature and humidity readings. On the logger screen you can cycle current, minimum and maximum recorded values. And using the free EasyLog BT app for Android you can simply view, save and share your collected temperature and humidity data. In the box there's a USB cable for charging, a quick start guide, and the logger. The logger is a sleek modern design with an easy to read LCD screen, a single button for cycling through current, minimum and maximum readings. On the back is a mounting bracket which slides on and off, and the USB port. For more information on the IC-EL-BT-2, including a video on how to set up on an Android phone, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!